What Buhari vowed to do to Boko people before the end of 2021. Last year was full of attacks by the dreaded Boko people whose activities had caused a halt to economic growth in the affected areas. In a report from the cable, President Buhari described the year 2021 as a year of action, says insurgency will soon be over. However, President Buhari has repeatedly vowed to end Boko people insurgency this year. This statement was issued by Defense Minister Magashi, who represented the president during the Jumat prayer for the 2021 Armed Forces Remembrance Day celebration at the National Mosque on Friday, January 8 at Abuja. As a matter of concern, the minister urged well-meaning Nigerians to pray for President Buhari administration, saying what is happening in this country will soon be over. Admonishing the sacrifices and contribution made by the nation's fallen heroes, he said that they would always be remembered for the supreme price they paid in a bid to protect Nigeria and our citizens. He was quoted saying, "The sacrifices they have made will always be remembered." And as you can also see, the special prayer is the religious aspect of it, and one of the many activities lined up to honor and remember them. He further expressed the need to pray for the fallen heroes of our nation always, concluding that on the 15th there will be laying of wreaths. Thank you for listening to this news. Buhari has started again. Yes, now he has started again. I don't know if between Buhari and Buratai, who is more boastful. This is Buhari keep repeating this statement, keep saying he keeps saying this that he promised to do this to Boko people, he promised to do that to Boko people, but I'm not seeing anything he's doing to Boko people. I'm not seeing anything at all. I'm not seeing anything he's doing to Boko people. Instead, what I'm seeing is attack. The more he keep boasting, the more the Boko people keep attacking. The more they keep attacking. So you tell me, when are you going to achieve this? When are you going to achieve this? These unnecessary and many promises, when are they going to be achieved? Is it only when half of Nigerians have been eliminated? Is it? No. That is not it. That's not it. If there is anything you can do, it is now you need to do it. It is now you need to do it. If you don't do it now, it will be too late. See what is happening in the northern region. See how people are dying unnecessarily. And you're saying that you promised before the end of this year. That is the many promises that you do make. You made the same promise before you came into power. You said it. You said 90 days. 90 days is too much for Boko people to exist. 90 days is too much for them to exist in Nigeria. You made that promise. I will not forget. I keep repeating them in all of my broadcasts so that people will know and still pass the message to you wherever you are. You keep making unnecessary promises that you cannot keep. It's wrong. Absolutely wrong. Yes. So if you know that which is right, you do them. Stop being boastful. This is how Buratai will come. We boast. Hey, we have killed, we have done this, we have done that. Go back and multiply your effort. Go back and multiply your effort, because these people are killing Nigerians. These people are killing Nigerians. For how long are we going to continue in these unnecessary killings? For how long? And you are here coming to tell us and give us success stories. For what? God forbid they will never see us. It's not our portion. 2020 is gone. This is 2021. They will be the one to see their end. And they will surely see their end in Jesus' name. We have suffered enough. We have suffered. Lots of people have died just because of these hoodlums who call themselves Boko people. You understand? So we can no longer take it from them. We can no longer take it. If anyone can take it, we will not take it again. We will not take it again. So the president, Muhammadu Buhari, should do all within his power, should work things out and make sure that we don't experience what we are experiencing again. Because we have recorded enough death. Every day, we record death in numbers. Even his own state, he was not able to protect his own state, not to talk of other states. His own people, he abandoned them. He abandoned his own people. Okay, if one comes out to speak up of injustice discovered or observed in the country, Buhari will go after the person. Is that how to succeed in issues of this kind? Is this how to do it? You need to hear from people. You need to hear people's complaints. It is normal that people complain. It is normal that people agitate. They have their right to agitate because we are in a democratic system of government, not in a military system of government. A system of government that gives you opportunity to come out and air your view, to come out and speak up whenever you discover any injustice around. This is the only administration I see that attack people unnecessarily. This is the only administration. Look at Sowore. Just because Sowore came out to protest, he asked for his arrest and imprisoned him. As we speak, Sowore is still in prison. Is that how is a government supposed to be? Is that Buhari's administration supposed to be? Is this the promises that he made to us before he came into power? Is that the promises he made to us? What did he say? What were the promises? He read his manifestos to us. It was his manifestos that moved Nigerians and said, okay, this man is the right man. Let us give him the chance. Let us give him the chance. And now see what we are facing. Well, we asked for it and now we are getting it. So it is our punishment. Let's enjoy it. Yes, that is what I will say. What else do you expect me to say? What else do you expect me to say? It is a cross that we asked for. So we are to carry the cross. We are to carry the cross. We have to carry it. A word is enough for the wise. So, my viewers, what is your take? What's your advice? What do you think? Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.